What is going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today what I got going on for you guys is I finally got my pair of Air Max 1 blueprints in, and I want to discuss this shoe, all the in-hand details of it. I really want to explain why I think this sneaker could go up in value in the future. Obviously, not a lot of shoes are going up in value right now. I made a video on that recently. There's just so many other things that people are focused on. Y'all brought up some great points like, hey, Tristan, I'm paying $4 a gallon for gas. I'm paying $5 a gallon for gas. Up in LA, some of y'all are paying $6, $7, you know what I mean? And y'all are saying, hey, I'm not focused on shoes right now. I'm focused on getting my car from there and back to work. Great points. So we'll get into the video again. Subscribe and like if y'all want more content like this. Like goal. Let's make it 242 likes. Something very random, but let's see if we can do it. I'm gonna start making it random numbers every video. So expect it to range from 1,000 to I don't even know. We'll just make it whatever number. Maybe 1 million. Who knows? But that's everything. Hope y'all will enjoy it, and let's just get started. So the first thing and main thing I want to mention about the shoe is how well the blue hits in hand. I am amazed by how well the sneaker looks. Not well, but how good the sneaker looks. Like the details are so nice on this shoe. You guys can see, of course, the swoosh has that kind of unique it's like, I don't know how to put it. Obviously you can tell it's not like reflective, but it's definitely not, I mean, it's obviously not a suede material. You can see it definitely stands out a bit though, with that right there, and you can see how the different blues hit on the white. This is what I'm talking about. It's like a Carolina blue, and of course, you know, me being from the Carolinas, right from Charlotte, you know, I'm a huge fan of these, no doubt about it. And you can see, look at that sole as well. Kind of, I guess the correct word would be kind of like translucent, I guess, because since it's a little bit see-through, so maybe you could just say that. But yeah, a couple different blues. You got a darker blue and a lighter blue, so I guess you could kind of say this is kind of like a turquoise almost. I mean, a little bit. This is just like a cayenne or lighter blue, turquoise kind of ish color. These are pretty much the same though. And then this is just a darker navy-ish blue, almost navy, but I think you could say it is. So really looking into it, again, another main detail I want to mention on the shoe, of course, up close. I will also be trying on the shoe in this video. I want to mention this is for my personal collection. Also discuss the shoe as a whole, since again, I do think this is in the future a $400 shoe. A lot of Air Maxes that are nice like this do go up in the future. And one thing I want to mention too that I think people are going to like in the future is this right there, the embroidered globe right over the Nike Air symbol on the back. Like, I think that is so sick, having a globe embroidered right by the Nike Air symbol on both the pairs as well. That's not just like a one pair thing. There is a couple other details I want to show y'all, like of course on the inside of the shoe. If y'all can see this, there's a globe also in there. Y'all may be able to see that right in the bottom. Again, so many nice details on this shoe, and I want to show y'all the other pair as well. I got a size 9.5. That's my size in Air Maxes. Of course, as I've gotten further into sneaker collecting, I've realized that just certain shoes you have to go with different sizes. Like with Dunks, I gotta go with tighter sizes. And like with what else? Like with these and like ones, I gotta go with slightly bigger ones just because they're a little bit more narrow, I guess. Not Air Maxes though, they kind of adjust. But y'all can see again the embroidered globe is on both the pairs, and then this one also has the globe on the inside as well, as you guys can see right there. And I think it says something on the tips right here. Look at that, man! It actually has a 326 since this did drop on Air Max Day. This is another dope thing. Look at this. Y'all might be able to see that. 326 right there. Hopefully y'all can see that, but right there, 326 with the gold tip laces. Not gold tip, but the kind of I guess brown, and it's kind of like a match. I think it's kind of what it looks like, but that's just my opinion. That's just what I'm going off. And it also comes with white laces. That's another thing. You also have kind of a grid on the front of the shoes. You guys can see a little grid. I think that's supposed to be representing like an atlas, where like a map would go on and you'd mark points. Could be wrong there, but that's just at least what I'm seeing. And I think the swoosh is supposed to resemble some sort of like ocean water type thing. I mean, that's what I'm getting, that's what it looks like at least. But overall, such a nice pair. I definitely want to get into trying this one on though. Like, I've been dying to wear this pair and get it in. I thought UPS had jugged it for me since it said delivered yesterday, but it didn't actually come in. Or not yesterday, but the day before it said delivered and it wasn't actually there. So I was like, oh man, it's one of these things. But I ended up getting it. Very happy about that. And shout out Colby Kicks also. That's the guy that I got it from. I haven't shouted him out yet in this video, but appreciate it. Thank you for the deal. At the time, it was a great deal. Of course, they've dropped a bit in price, but I'm not too concerned. I mean, I will buy some more pairs of these to hold, and also up here, the only thing that I think people won't be a fan of is how easily the toe box could stain. It's kind of like a canvas material almost. I mean, it pretty much is. So I think that's what people aren't gonna like, is that that might be the only flaw on the shoes, just that kind of toe box. I don't think people are gonna be rocking with that. Hopefully that focused in there. But also, of course, another typical thing you all see on Air Max is you always got the swoosh up here, and then that beautiful Carolina blue toe box you want to ride around the whole shoe. So aside from that, kind of that opinion right there, and just what I think about it, let's get into the try-on aspect, and then I'll discuss it as a sneaker investment. If again, that is what you're looking into the shoe for, if you're someone that's like, yep, I'm looking into holding the shoe, I'll discuss that towards the end. So let's get into the next part. There is a car with its car alarm on driving down the street. How much money do you guys want to bet that is stolen? Someone really out here in Charleston playing GTA, but all right, my first impression on these on foot. Honestly, the comfort is so there. As with any Air Max, comfort is king. And let me just show you all these here. I'll go over here since we got a little bit more light here. But look how the blue is hitting on foot. And of course, you got the little grid pattern on the inside swooshes here. As you guys know, they are different here and here, kind of like a what the thing, you know what I mean? Because you've seen a lot of what the dunks and past what the models. They'll make the swooshes on the inside different than the outside ones. They'll make every single one unique. And this, I kind of see something like that. And also, of course, you got the grids right there and then the globes on the back of the shoe, man. And I just really like this one. This is such a comfortable pair of shoes. I mean, as with any Air Max, I'm never going to be someone that's like, oh man, these are really uncomfortable, at least for now. If they keep producing them at fair quality like these ones, I mean, I've heard some people have gotten pairs that have not been good quality control, but with mine, zero complaints here. These are hitting really well in hand, and I'm glad to at least have mine for the collection so I can have this boy just right there, you know what I mean? And I did say I'd get y'all sneaker collection videos soon, so if y'all want that, let me know. I mean, I pretty much just showed y'all the whole collection, but yeah, most of it at least. And yeah, there is what I at least think right there. So, you know, just pop the tongues out a little bit. And these are hitting well. Honestly, super comfortable. Couldn't complain. I love Air Maxes. I mean, ever since I got my Powder Air Maxes, I've just been stacking Air Maxes. It's the way to go. This is my second or third one in the collection, and I'm loving it. So let's get into the investment aspect if you're just looking to hold pairs. Okay, so I don't feel like I need to sit here and explain too much about holding this shoe. The market right now is not good to hold sneakers. So if you want to buy pairs to just kind of hold up for like a year or so, I think that's fine. But there is so many other shoes that I feel like will be better than this one. This is one you'll have to think about long term. And honestly, I think holding cash or other assets, honestly, is probably better. I mean, you could hold pairs of these, you could hold sneakers, but a lot of sneakers are just flat in value right now. They're not going up. I mean, heading into summertime, they will, but with inflation, with gas prices, with everything, it's not what people are focusing on. Why would it be? You know what I mean? My friends are talking about something, I don't know what it is. But yeah, I think that's all I need to do for this video. Whether it's short or long, just understand the point. Yes, this is a safe long-term bet. I'm talking like 1-2 years though, and don't expect major progress. I mean, honestly, is it worth it to hold one shoe for 2 years to make $300? Probably not. Let's be real. I mean, unless it's a really rare repair like a Travis Scott Fragment Low, something like that, you're not going to be making a lot of money off holding the shoe for 2 years. So with this one, just get it for your personal, or you know, you can sell it off if you want, reinvest, just hold the cash, you know, just keep flipping new releases if you want to do that right now. I think that's a fair point. Or you can just stay accumulating releases that you know are going to be safe bets over the summer. I always say those are a good idea. So again, subscribe and like for more. 242 likes is the goal. Do not forget that. And yeah, basically what I got to do today, I got one class to go to. Got to get this video edited. And yeah, that's pretty much the key of my day. I also got to get some food. That's essential number one right now. I need to get some breakfast. Y'all welcome. I made this video for my breakfast. Nah, I'm kidding. I'm not going to act entitled. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And yeah, just show y'all we legit. Size 9.5. Hopefully that'll, is that on camera? Yeah, there you go. Size 9.5, blueprint, Air Max 1. All right, I'll catch you on the next one. I'm Tristan. And Instagrams, all that. They're down below. Check them out. Peace.
Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the tea. Now water can flow or it can crash.